Have you ever felt like every bite of a sweet fruit could raise your blood sugar levels? If you have diabetes, you've probably been told to stay away from anything sweet, especially fruit. But what if that advice was just an extra layer of caution? Some of the most common fruits, the ones you see every week at your local grocery store, are actually helping people lower their blood sugar instead of raising it. New research has revealed that two incredibly sweet fruits, often overlooked by diabetics, are helping stabilize blood sugar levels and even reduce insulin spikes. These fruits are easy to find at the grocery store, and they're not expensive. They're naturally very sweet, and that's exactly why they've been judged unfairly by diabetics and even by people trying to lose weight. Doctors here in America are rethinking their advice, and they've already started recommending these fruits to their diabetic patients with excellent results in blood sugar control. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today. Which fruits these are and why they work with your body, not against it. Before I reveal them, just hit the like button so this video can reach more people who are trying to manage diabetes naturally. Because here, no one should ever feel alone on this journey. Have you ever opened your fridge on a warm day and reached for a slice of cold, juicy melon? That sweet and refreshing bite can feel like a reward after a long morning. But did you know that melon might be doing more than just cooling you down? It turns out, it could actually be helping you manage your blood sugar without you even realizing it. Many people with diabetes are told to avoid sweet fruits like melon, assuming it will spike their glucose. But real-life stories and simple food studies are proving otherwise. The secret is how melon is made by nature, full of water, fiber, and just the right kind of sugar. When eaten in the right way, melon becomes a powerful friend, not a threat. Melons like cantaloupe and honeydew are low in calories and high in hydration. That means they help keep you full without overloading your body. If you've been dealing with swelling in your legs or joints, this extra hydration can actually ease that discomfort. Water-rich fruits support your kidneys and help flush out what doesn't belong. A lot of seniors I've talked to mention waking up with puffy hands or ankles. Have you felt that too? Adding melon to your daily breakfast could be a small step that makes a big difference. Instead of grabbing toast or cereal, try a small bowl of chilled melon with a sprinkle of cinnamon on top. It tastes amazing, and your joints might thank you later. Now, if you've ever felt that tight, dry feeling in your skin or lips, that could be mild dehydration, something very common in older adults. Melon helps with that too. Because it's made of over 90% water, it hydrates from the inside out. That can help with skin elasticity, digestion, and even mild headaches caused by lack of fluids. And just so you know, if you stay with me until the end of this video, I'm going to share a simple way to combine melon with one common kitchen ingredient that helps reduce blood sugar spikes even more. It's easy, it's cheap, and you probably already have it at home. So don't go anywhere. You'll want to try this today. And for those who struggle with constipation or feel their digestion has slowed down, the fiber in melon is gentle but helpful. You don't need rough or harsh fiber when you're older. Your body does better with soft support. Melon gives you that, especially when eaten slowly and in small portions. Here's a little tip. Cut your melon into cubes and store them in a clear container in the fridge. That way, every time you open the fridge door, it's ready and inviting. When something healthy is easy to grab, we're more likely to eat it. What's your favorite kind of melon? Let me know in the comments, cantaloupe or honeydew. Now, I know you might be thinking, isn't melon too sweet for a diabetic? But nature's sweetness is different from processed sugar. Melon's sugars are balanced with water and fiber, helping your body absorb them gently. It's not about the sweetness, it's about the balance that supports your health. Some viewers have shared that eating melon in the afternoon helps them avoid reaching for cookies or soda. That's a powerful shift. Replacing a dangerous habit with a delicious fruit is a win. And if you've experienced something like that, a small change that helped, share it in the comments. You could inspire someone else today. Let's talk about foot pain. Many diabetics deal with soreness in their feet, especially at the end of the day. While melon won't cure that, it helps reduce inflammation through hydration. The more fluid your body has, the easier it is for your muscles and joints to relax. Add some stretching, and it can really help. You could even try blending melon into a smoothie. Add some cucumber and mint, and you've got a cooling, healing drink that tastes like summer. Just don't add sugar. Let the fruit do the work. This kind of drink can be especially refreshing if you've been feeling tired or stiff lately. Here's a calming snack idea for the evening. Melon cubes with a squeeze of fresh lime and a few leaves of fresh mint. It feels like a dessert, but it's light and soothing. Many older adults have trouble sleeping, and this combo doesn't upset your stomach late at night. Try it and let me know how it works for you. Have you ever had a day where your body just felt heavy, like you're dragging your feet even when you've slept well? That sluggish feeling can come from poor circulation and dehydration. Melon helps by getting water and minerals like potassium into your system, which helps improve energy and circulation. Melon also contains a small amount of magnesium, and many seniors don't get enough of it. Magnesium helps with muscle cramps, mood, and even sleep quality. So when you enjoy melon, you're doing more than snacking. You're giving your body quiet support that adds up over time. And if you enjoy gardening or spending time outside, melon is the perfect snack to bring with you. It's not messy, it's refreshing, and it gives you energy without the crash. Just a few bites can cool your system down after walking in the sun. That's a kind of self-care we often forget about. Some people ask, can I eat melon every day? The answer is, you can, as long as you listen to your body and balance your meals. A cup of melon in the morning or afternoon is often better than having it at night when digestion slows down. Notice how your body reacts and write it down. If you're someone who often feels overwhelmed by food rules, you're not alone. So many people have been told no for years. No sugar, no carbs, no fruits. But here, we focus on yes. Yes to natural foods, yes to balance, yes to listening to what feels good in your body. And I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried eating melon recently? Did it make you feel better or give you more energy? Leave a comment below and write the word melon so others can find your story and feel encouraged. What you share matters here. Melon isn't a miracle cure, but it's a gentle, helpful tool. When you use it the right way, it brings relief, joy, and hydration. That's something we all need more of, especially as we age. It's about small steps, not big leaps. Maybe today is a good day to slice a melon and make a fresh, simple choice. It doesn't have to be fancy, just honest and nourishing. Add it to your oatmeal, eat it with nuts, or simply enjoy it alone. If you're living with joint pain, sore feet, or even just low energy, try this little experiment. Eat melon daily for 5 days and see how you feel. Just notice. Your body speaks. We just have to listen with patience. Remember, the best changes are the ones that feel doable. You don't need a complicated plan or expensive supplements. Sometimes it's just about choosing melon over a cookie and doing it again tomorrow. And if you've got grandkids visiting, this is the perfect fruit to share. Cut it up, serve it cold, and watch everyone smile. You get to enjoy a healthy moment together, and that's what matters most. Let this be your reminder. Health isn't about perfection. It's about being kind to your body in small ways every day. And if melon helps you feel better, more refreshed, more comfortable, that's a win. You deserve to feel supported, to feel seen, and to have real natural solutions in your kitchen. And that's what this channel is here for. We don't just talk about health, we share it, we live it, we support each other. So before we move on, type melon in the comments if you believe small changes matter. That one word might encourage someone else to try something simple and feel better tomorrow. You never know whose life you might touch. You might even want to keep a little melon journal. Just a notebook with notes about how you feel after eating it for a few days. Was your digestion better? Did your legs feel lighter? These little observations help you connect with your body. And don't forget, melon pairs well with protein too. Try a slice with cottage cheese or a handful of almonds. It balances out the sweetness and helps keep your blood sugar steady. Simple food combos like that can make a big difference. Some people also like to freeze melon cubes and eat them like little fruit popsicles. It's a great trick, especially in the summer. And if you've had trouble drinking enough water, this is an easy way to sneak in hydration without thinking about it. The goal isn't to make your meals boring, it's to make them work for you. Melon gives you flavor, comfort, and benefits all in one bite. That's a rare combination that's easy to love once you give it a try. So let's make this week a little sweeter, naturally. Choose melon, choose hydration, choose simplicity. And don't forget to leave a comment if this helped you today. Your voice matters here. Let's talk about a fruit that often gets ignored in the fruit aisle, the humble plum. It's small, it's juicy, and it might be one of the most powerful allies for your blood sugar that no one is talking about. If you've walked past plums thinking they're too sweet or not worth it, you're not alone. But you might want to stop and take a second look. Plums are naturally sweet, but they come with fiber and antioxidants that help balance their sugar content. That means they don't hit your bloodstream like a candy bar would. Instead, they release their energy slowly, giving your body a gentle lift. without a sugar crash. For people with diabetes, that's a big deal. One of the little-known benefits of plums is how they help with digestion. If you've been feeling bloated or heavy after meals, a fresh plum or two can help move things along, gently and naturally. It's a fruit that works in the background, supporting your gut without causing upset or discomfort. And if you've been struggling with inflammation, especially in your knees or lower back, plums can help there too. They contain special compounds called polyphenols that calm down the body's inflammation. It's not magic, but over time, that daily plum can be a real comfort food for your joints. A lot of seniors I talk to mention they feel stiffer in the morning or after sitting too long. If that's you, try adding plums to your breakfast. Just slice one up and put it over plain yogurt or oatmeal. It adds color, taste, and a little love to your morning routine, plus the bonus of fiber and antioxidants. And stick with me until the end, because I'll be sharing a simple plum trick, a 2-ingredient recipe you can make in under 5 minutes that helps lower blood sugar after meals. It's delicious, easy, and perfect for people over 60. You don't want to miss it. Now let's talk about something important, constipation. It's a topic nobody likes to bring up, but let's be honest, it's common as we age. Plums, especially when eaten with the skin, are gentle helpers. They add moisture and fiber, and that makes your system move without pushing or straining. Many people think prunes are the only way to get that benefit, but fresh plums do it too, and they taste better to many folks. Just 1 or 2 plums a day can make a noticeable difference, especially if you're also drinking more water. It's a simple, natural shift that feels good. Have you ever noticed how sugar cravings hit hardest in the afternoon? That 3 o'clock slump when you want something sweet? Instead of grabbing a cookie or soda, try a plum. It's sweet enough to satisfy that urge, but it won't spike your blood sugar or leave you feeling worse later. And if you deal with leg cramps or nighttime discomfort, plums might help there too. They're a source of potassium and magnesium, both of which support muscle relaxation. It's not a cure-all, but over time, the difference adds up, especially when paired with stretching or a short walk. If you're someone who likes a sweet dessert but wants to avoid guilt, bake some sliced plums with a sprinkle of cinnamon and a dash of lemon juice. Pop them in the oven for 10 minutes. What comes out is warm, soft, and feels like a little treat, but it's fully natural and diabetic friendly. I'd love to know, have you eaten plums recently? What's your favorite way to enjoy them? Drop the word plum in the comments so we know you're here and part of this journey. And if you have a recipe or tip to share, someone else could really benefit from your experience. Some older adults worry about fruit being too sugary, but that's not the full story. Plums offer sweetness with benefits, fiber, antioxidants, and hydration all in one. When something sweet also helps your body function better, that's a win, not a risk. Have you ever had a dull ache in your hands or fingers after a long day? That could be mild inflammation. Plums may help reduce that over time, especially when eaten daily. It's small changes like this that support your body in the long run, not quick fixes. A viewer once told me she started eating plums every day for 2 weeks and noticed less swelling in her ankles. Now that's just her story, but maybe it could be yours too. Why not try it and see? Let your body be the guide and write down what you notice. Want a fun summer idea? Cut plums into wedges, freeze them, and enjoy them like fruit pops. They're refreshing, low calorie, and perfect for warm afternoons. And they can help curb cravings without going for sugary snacks that leave you feeling tired. Some people don't like the tart skin, and that's okay. You can peel them if needed, but remember, a lot of the fiber and nutrients live in the skin. Try it both ways and see what works best for you. Your taste matters just as much as the health benefits. When shopping, choose plums that are slightly soft to the touch. That means they're ripe and ready to eat. If they're still firm, leave them on the counter for a day or two. It's a fruit that keeps on giving us and gets sweeter with time, just like many of us. Did you know plums also support your bones? That's right. Some studies show that eating plums regularly can slow down bone loss in older adults. That's especially important for women after 60. It's like a natural helper for your skeleton, one bite at a time. If you have grandkids, get them involved. Slice up plums together and talk about healthy eating. It's a moment to connect, and kids love tasting different fruits when they feel included. And you'll be planting a seed that lasts a lifetime. Try this snack idea. 1 plum sliced with a small piece of cheese or a handful of walnuts. It's the perfect balance of sweet and savory, and the protein helps slow down sugar absorption. This is how you eat smart, without giving up flavor. Some days it's hard to feel motivated, but having a fruit bowl with washed, ready-to-eat plums can help. You see them, you grab one, and suddenly suddenly, you've made a better choice without thinking too hard. Keep it simple. Make it easy for yourself. I know many of you are already doing your best, and I want to remind you, it's enough. Every step counts. If adding a plum to your day brings you joy, comfort, or just a little ease, that's powerful. Don't underestimate what one small change can do. And remember the plum trick I promised? We're almost there, just a few more tips first. I want you to feel confident, prepared, and excited to try something new that fits your life without pressure or stress. If you have high blood sugar in the morning, try eating a plum as part of your evening snack. The fiber helps slow digestion overnight, which may reduce those early morning spikes. It's a gentle experiment worth testing. Even if you're not a fan of fresh fruit, you can still benefit. Try unsweetened dried plums in moderation. Just a few pieces. They're concentrated, so a little goes a long way. And yes, they still offer all those digestive and anti-inflammatory benefits. Plums can even help your mood. Their antioxidants support brain function and reduce oxidative stress, two things linked to feeling mentally sharp and emotionally balanced. Who knew something so small could help in so many ways? So here it is, the simple plum trick I mentioned earlier. Slice one ripe plum and sprinkle it with a pinch of ground cinnamon. Cinnamon helps reduce blood sugar spikes, and paired with plum's fiber, it becomes a naturally powerful combo. Try it after lunch and see how you feel. This isn't just about food, it's about feeling seen, heard, and supported. That's what this space is for. If something in today's video helped you, please write plum in the comments. You never know who's reading and needing a little hope today. You matter here. Your story, your experience, your voice, all of it can help another person just like you. Whether it's a recipe, a result, or a moment of honesty, we're building something special, one kind word at a time. For you who stayed with me until the end, here's what I promised you. Simple and tasty recipes you can use right away. Let's start with breakfast. Try a small bowl of cantaloupe cubes with a spoon of plain yogurt and a dash of cinnamon. It's light, filling, and supports stable blood sugar. For something warm, bake sliced plums with cinnamon and a few drops of lemon juice. It turns into a naturally sweet dessert without any added sugar. You can serve it alone or with a spoon of unsweetened applesauce. In the afternoon, blend melon with cucumber, mint, and a splash of lemon water. It makes a refreshing drink that hydrates and helps reduce sugar cravings. Drink it cold, especially on warmer days when your body needs an extra boost. Another great idea is to slice plums and pair them with a few walnuts. It's the perfect mix of sweet and crunch, and the healthy fats slow down sugar absorption. Great for a quick snack that won't spike your blood sugar. If you're preparing lunch, try adding diced melon to a leafy salad with grilled chicken. Add a light olive oil dressing and some sunflower seeds. It's colorful, refreshing, and surprisingly satisfying. Before bed, a small plum with a handful of almonds can be a gentle snack that won't disturb your sleep. The fiber helps digestion overnight, and the natural sugars don't overwhelm your system. Want a frozen treat? Cut melon into small cubes and freeze them in a zip bag. Grab a few on hot days. They taste like fruity popsicles and help you stay hydrated without sugary ice cream. You can also stew plums in a little water with cinnamon and clove. Let it cool and eat a spoonful when you need something sweet but safe. It's like a healthy jam, and you can even spread it on whole grain toast. For a snack box on the go, mix melon cubes, plum slices, and a few pieces of string cheese or nuts. Keep it chilled and enjoy it between meals. It's quick, nourishing, and helps you avoid packaged snacks. And here's a trick many viewers love. Slice melon, drizzle with lime juice, and sprinkle a bit of sea salt. The sweet and salty combo wakes up your taste buds and feels gourmet with zero guilt. Try any of these this week and come back to share in the comments what you liked most. Just type the word recipe and tell us what worked for you. You might help someone else feel a little better too. And if you found today's tips helpful, wait until you see what I'm leaving on the screen right now. It's a video that reveals common mistakes most people make when trying to eat healthier with diabetes and how to fix them. Trust me, missing this could mean staying stuck in the same routine, so click and watch it now. Your health might thank you. See you there.